Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to enable Vibrate for comment notifications on Google Drive. If you often collaborate with others, you know how important it is to never miss a comment on your files. Setting your phone to vibrate when a comment comes through can make sure you're alerted, even when your volume is off or you can't check your screen right away. Let's go step by step. First, unlock your phone and go straight to your Settings app. This is where we'll adjust how Google Drive sends alerts. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This menu lists every application installed on your device. From there, scroll until you see Google Drive and tap on it. This is where all the app-specific settings are stored. Now tap on Notifications. This section lets you customize the types of notifications you want Google Drive to send and how they should behave. After that, select Notification Categories. Think of this as the control center that breaks down Google Drive's alerts into different groups. Here, look for Comments and tap on it. Since comments are some of the most important notifications when working with others, you'll want to fine-tune how they reach you. Finally, toggle on the Vibrate option. With this setting enabled, every comment notification inside Google Drive will trigger a vibration on your device. This way, even if your phone is on silent mode, you'll still feel the alert. That's it. You've just enabled vibration for comment notifications in Google Drive. From now on, each time someone leaves a note, suggestion, or feedback on your files, your phone will give you that subtle buzz to keep you in the loop instantly. This is a small tweak, but it makes a big difference in staying connected and responsive while collaborating. Whether you're working on projects for school, business, or personal use, staying on top of comments has never been easier. And there you have it. Your Google Drive is now set up to alert you with vibrations whenever a new comment notification comes in. Thanks for watching.